This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade burgers. First, select ground beef with an 80-20 lean to fat ratio. This is crucial for a juicy burger. Gently form your patties, making them about 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. Remember to press a small dimple in the center of each patty. This simple trick prevents your burgers from puffing up in the middle while cooking, ensuring an even cook and a perfect shape. Now, let's talk seasoning and searing. Liberally season both sides of your patties with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, preheat your cast iron skillet or grill to a medium-high heat. This ensures a beautiful, flavorful crust. Cook each patty for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare to medium doneness. Adjust cooking time based on your desired level of doneness. With your patties cooked, it's time to build your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a delightful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you love cheese, place a slice on your patty during the last minute of cooking to achieve that perfect melty goodness. Then, layer on your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and thinly sliced onion. Finally, the finishing touches. Apply your preferred condiments, whether it's classic ketchup and mustard or a special homemade sauce. Serve your incredible homemade burger immediately to savor its warmth and freshness. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cheeses, toppings, and sauces to discover your absolute favorite combination. Enjoy the satisfaction of crafting the perfect burger right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.